Silver prices stabilized on Tuesday after suffering a sharp fall a day earlier, marking their steepest single-day decline since August 2020. On Monday, silver plunged by 8.7%, alarming investors across global markets. However, analysts suggest that this sudden drop does not indicate the bursting of a speculative bubble but instead reflects deeper structural shifts and technical factors within the global commodities market. By 30th December, silver recovered modestly to trade around $73 per ounce, rebounding from Monday's dramatic sell-off. Prices had earlier crashed from a record high of $83.62 per ounce, reached during a powerful rally. In India, the impact was equally volatile. MCX silver futures surged more than 4% to around 2.33 lakh rupees per kilogram on Tuesday, after touching a high of 2.54 lakh rupees per kilogram on Monday morning before collapsing sharply later in the day. One of the key triggers behind the extreme volatility was a decision by the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, CME, to raise initial margin requirements for March 2026 silver futures. The margin was increased to $25,000 from $20,000 earlier this month. This marked the second margin hike within 2 weeks and came into effect on Monday. As a result, many leveraged traders were forced to liquidate their positions, intensifying selling pressure when prices were already near multi-year highs. Market experts believe the decline was largely driven by profit booking after an extraordinary rally. Silver prices had surged more than 150% during 2025, creating what some analysts describe as a parabolic move. Tony Sycamore of IG noted that the sharp gap up at Monday's opening likely resulted from stop-loss triggers, panic buying, and margin changes. While he described the rally as a generational bubble, he emphasized that the sell-off is more likely to cool investor enthusiasm rather than signal a complete collapse of the silver market. BizShort in seconds, say what matters. Stay tuned on BizShort for more such update.